You can find a link to this file below. It's just a curve which you can then modify, but you can also duplicate it using a layer and duplicate it linked. Some of the properties of this path are now linked. Now I can rotate it, resize it, no effect on the other one. However, you go over here to the node tool. If I change one of the nodes here, as I change that, you can see what happens. It changes the node on the other one as well. Repeat that and you can see as you do that, they both change. Also you can change the colour. And also you can go and change the pressure. So you can create a variety of different designs. Also you can go over here and it's only one layer has been selected. You can go to FX and maybe go and add a shadow. And you can create complex designs using this approach. So I'm going to duplicate this now using the linked. All the layers are the same. So again, go over to one layer and then go to the FX and change the style, etc. Also go over here to the pressure and change pressure. Or perhaps change the width, and all of them will change. You can also continue to add points to the path, and that will be reflected in all of the other paths. Do you think you'll use this technique? It'd be great to hear in the comments below. Also, if you've got any other questions, please put in the comments. A dislike or like, always appreciated. Thank you much.